Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. You'll see in the top left-hand corner now my total earnings are $514.85. I'm just blurring out the members' information there for privacy. The last two commissions that came in were passive income commissions. This is for Mega Messenger and also for list building. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how with OLSP System, this product is called MegaLink. And the MegaLink is where you can earn up to 7 income streams promoting one link. What I like about it is that it pays out 100% commissions on the front end product. So you can get into profit and potentially you can also stay in profit as well if you use free traffic to promote it like I do. The system is really superb. It's got done for you follow-up autopilot emails. Going to get sent out by the owner and his team. Going to promote your links. I'll come to that a bit later on the video shortly and show you how that works. There's no monthly membership costs. You pay a one-time $7 for your OLSP System MegaLink, and you're going to get all the help, support, and training you need. There's a Facebook group that's got 146,000 members within that Facebook group. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. Not making any income or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP System. This is just for educational purposes only. So let's just have a look now what you're going to get with this system. This is the owner, Wayne Crowe. So the link in the description will get access to this page here. I recommend you go and meet this gentleman here because Wayne Crowe has been online for over 10 years. He's earned over $15 million with affiliate marketing. And he's here to help everybody from absolute beginners to intermediates to advanced affiliate marketing, whatever level you're at within the industry. Wayne has got products and systems for you to help you succeed. And this video, a short video, if you're looking for a mentor, then I can highly recommend Wayne Crowe. So inside the members area, you'll see there's lots of free trainings. This one here is a great example. It's tonight. It's a live training done by Wayne himself, how to get floods of converting traffic without paying a cent. So within that members area, he does free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic, but he does all the trainings himself. So he's sharing with you all his years of methods of success that he's personally used, and he's imparting those words and methods and wisdom onto all his members of OLSP. Let's have a look now at the system itself and how it works. I want to show you how simple it is to use this system. There's only a couple of things you really need to do. So what happens, we'll get a little pencil out here and show you how it works. So what I like about it, there's lots of video tutorials, there's written tutorials. We'll get our page marker out here. Now what happens is that you're going to get, so going to the, it says here, grab your mega link here. So this is a video done by Wayne. It's all these video tutorials, step by step. So your mega link here is in the top right hand corner. That's your mega link there. Now your mega link just directs your prospects onto a lead capture page. It's a done for you lead capture page. The whole system is a done for you system. The value is absolutely superb. So what he shows you over here on the video, he draws a line down here. He's drawn a line down here. Now all you've got to do is just one thing to the left of this line over here, and that is traffic. And he teaches you traffic, so he's going to give you all the training you need for free traffic, paid traffic, cheap traffic, and all you do is you direct traffic promote your mega link. So that's it. So your job is just to do one thing and learn traffic. Then what happens over here to the right hand side of this line, Wayne does everything over here for you. So for a one-time $7, you're getting a complete 100%, call it DFY, done for you system. I don't think I've ever seen such value given by anybody with any system for the price that you pay. So the squeeze, he calls it a squeeze page, which is that page I just showed you. I call it a landing page, lead capture page. Then what happens when you drive traffic to that page, then people opt in, and then Wayne is going to send out emails for you. He's got a team of 32 staff. This system cost him $250,000. He's going to send emails out for you. So you don't need an autoresponder. He does it all for you. He does that continually. When someone buys, he continues to send them emails. Now, within those emails, he sends out offers, low ticket offers, medium ticket, high ticket, and monthly recurring commission. Now, he's created his own products because he knows what he's doing. Now, the beauty of that is your affiliate links, let's put in there AL, your affiliate links are in those emails that he sends out to these offers. So you're the ones that's going to earn the commissions if anyone buys here. So a one-time $7, and all you do is one thing, and that's drive traffic. The value is absolutely superb. So you'll see from my results, I've just used free traffic and I've earned over $500 with this system. Now it gets even better because Wayne gives you support. He believes, and I agree with him, that 95% of people fail because they don't get help, support and training. So he's got a Facebook group of 145,000 members. So you're going to get absolutely everything you need to succeed. So I'll just play you a few short words by Wayne, and he'll just talk to you a little bit about, let's just go on to the pointer here. Let Wayne explain a couple of things.
Anyone can do this. All you have to do is go out, grab your mega link, and share it. Okay, that's all you have to do. We're going to build all the squeeze pages. We're going to build all the products for you. We're going to promote other affiliate offers for you. We're going to do things like putting on live trainings. Okay, live trainings is something that nurture people really well. We're going to put on webinars. We're going to write all the emails and send all the emails for you. We're going to support everything. We're going to put on all the training. We're going to build the websites. We're going to do absolutely everything for you, making it easy to copy the exact thing that has made me personally millions of dollars. Okay. And this lasts forever, guys. Okay. This lasts forever. If someone joins today, okay, and doesn't purchase for 3 months, you're still going to get commission in 3 months. If they purchase 100 things, we're going to give you 100 individual commissions. Okay. And just by sharing the magic link, we have an awesome technology that tracks everything back. So we know you brought that person to us, right? It's been years in development. It's cost me $250,000 just to build the newest version of this. It's insane what this does. And all you have to do is copy and paste the mega link. We're going to do everything for you forever. Okay. And this.
So Wayne just sort of explaining there that it's a system for life. The Facebook group here, 146,000 members. So if you join through the link in the description, you'll be joining the OLSP System team, and then you can join the Facebook group there. Not just Wayne helping you succeed, but thousands of successful affiliate marketers within the group as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos on how to make money online from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. Currently, I do several new uploads every week. and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System or Megalink, put those in the comments below. I'll answer your questions for you. And what I recommend you do is just come watch this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. If you're looking for a mentor, this is a gentleman really who's here to help you succeed with affiliate marketing. And the link in the description will give you access to that free video there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. Any questions, put those in the comments. My email address will be in the description. If you want to contact me direct through email, just send me an email there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.